What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you experience a Dach Cart, if you have a Dach Cart, or if you're a dealer with a Dach Cart and your transponder or your NFC key does not work, how do you move it? Well, I'm gonna show you today on this right here video. It's very simple. Let's get to it. Wireless key fob right here no longer works. This is the NFC. This is the wireless key fob. This will not turn the cart on or off. Let me show you what the problem is. This is the problem. This is your main connector, the NFC, wireless transponder, start controller. This right here is located on the back wall back here. Let me get my light and I'll show you here exactly where it's located at. Okay, you see this piece of metal right here? This piece of metal going up and down is located right there. But how will you turn the golf cart on if that NFC doesn't work? Well, you need to get in here to this harness right here. This is what you're going to be looking for. It's not going to be those harnesses right here. It's not those. It's this one, okay? So if you see there at the top of the picture, this top left is orange and the one beside it's red and white. You need to put a jumper wire between those two, and once you do that, then you can just power the battery on and the golf cart will be on and you can run it. In order to turn the golf cart off, you have to turn the golf cart battery off in order to turn the golf cart off until you fix your NFC. All right, so you see we have the wire jumped, red and white and orange right there, okay? Nothing is on. I'm gonna come straight to the battery here. Turn the battery on, blue light turns on, the golf cart turns on, and now the golf cart's in the on position. If I yank that wire out, the golf cart would turn off. However, I don't want to do that. So this is only in case the NFC fails and your responders here will not turn the cart on, and you're waiting for the new one. That's how you can move the golf cart or whatever you want to do with it. But it's not a permanent fix. It's not a hack. It's just what we were able to do to move this cart here. And see that little jumper still in there. And the NFC is not on that plate right there. And we got a new one we're going to put on there and fix this problem. But anyways, that's that. If we turn the battery off, okay, the battery's off, the golf cart's off, I come in here and I snatch this wire right here out of that, and I come back over here and turn the battery on. The battery turns on, but the cart does not. So that is the hack to be able to move your Dach. I think this is the Apollo. And I'm gonna turn the battery back off. I'm gonna install the new NFC, and then we'll be able to use these new key chips in there to be able to activate it as usual. So you don't mix anything up. The keys have a number. It's got to match the transponder or the receiver as well. So that's how you don't mix them up. The new transponder is in. You can see it right there. But I don't have it mounted yet. It mounts from that plate back there. Let's test these keys. I just turned the battery on. The golf cart's not on. There it is. So that's exactly how you turn the golf cart on if you have one of these Dach carts. Or you can touch that again. So there it is. All right, guys, appreciate y'all watching. See y'all later.